She swore if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. All I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She said that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Come on. If I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder she's 1 second farther from me. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track.
Hey, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner after a wonderful week. How's the family, Paul?
Family's great.
Great, and you were busy this week?
I was busy.
Working gigs and recording and
Yeah, I was doing all that stuff.
all that stuff. I was busy. I worked 3 days at Knott's Berry Farm, and my business is doing good right now.
Wonderful.
And so we're okay. What about you, Palmer? What's going on?
I'm just walking around the park mostly.
Really? Hanging out at the park?
I got a little workout thing over there. I go over there and work out over
You
there.
walk past that.
Wow.
I walk over there,
That's a good thing. Yeah, you're safe.
Working out, yeah, because I can only do 9 sit-ups and almost a pull-up.
You can do a whole sit-up?
Not, yes.
Amazing.
Amazing to me.
No, I'll tell you
Go
something.
ahead, tell me what's
interesting.
happening.
We're not listening anymore. This is the important thing. I was going through some old clips, and I found one of us with Albert Lee, J.D. Manis, Paul, you and me, and Lynn was playing over at Viva Cantina. And what was great was Buddy kept walking in and who's gonna play with us.
Oh, yeah, yeah, my brother.
Yeah,
Yeah, we lost him 2 years ago, June 10th.
unbelievable.
Next month on the 10th, he's been gone 2 years. And I miss him like, I don't miss him every day. I miss him every minute.
Yeah, I hear you. But yeah, everybody,
we were really
the whole
close.
family was there. And you
Oh, yeah, we
kinda
have
see
those
them
big
walking.
parties. I'm having one this year on June 28th. And I think I'm gonna open the parking lot up a little bit, and so we can kind of pass the word. We'll just have some food and stuff. It'll be my 82nd birthday. And so we'll get, you know, we won't do it at a club like we did the last few years, and it won't be that many people. I think we're just gonna tone it down a little bit this year and have the family up. We'll let something going on, sandwiches or something, and we'll play music.
I'll be here.
We'll have JD Albert probably gonna be here. If he's not in England working, he'll come up, and JD and all my, for Pete Anderson, you know, all my hot shot friends.
Big shots.
They really do it for a
They're
living, don't
really
they?
big
God
shots.
bless those guys, they can play. All right, Swan, you wanna do it?
Yes, I came down here 45 years to do this. I don't know, I just ate 3 chocolate cookies, and for anybody that sings and eats chocolate cookies, you know sometimes they don't mix. So if you hear, hee-haw, we'll do an old standard Merle Haggard tune. I get probably about 3,000 requests today to do this. Or, today I started loving you, darling. That was the wrong note, folks. Today I started loving you again. Help me, Paul. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you as long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, think I'd get back with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the words yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back What a fool I was. Think I was gonna get back. With only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the words yet to come. And crime time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my fool heart ache. But today I started loving you again. Said today I started loving you again. You think Merle ever had a you think Merle ever had a broken heart? What does that guy come up with? I think him and Hank Williams probably had the worst broken hearts.
I don't think he never did not have a broken heart. That guy
Yeah.
wrote so soulful and so true.
I
We
know.
love you, Merle. He's right behind you, babe.
Uh-oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, what a guy.
Wouldn't have wrote a song like that.
Got to meet him a couple of times. Never got to play with him. Met him, knew the guys in his band.
The Strangers.
They were all good guys, you know. Yep, Merle was cool. One time we were doing a gig, I wasn't, I went to watch at the Crystal Palace in Bakersfield.
Yeah.
And they had those, what were the name of the guy, the twins that had the whip, the Lanard twins or the
Wow.
something twins?
You got me there.
We're going way back, town hall party days, 50s, 60s. Well, these guys did a, this is so funny, these guys did a show with a whip, and they would come out and they'd get close to people that over their head, whack, and the people would duck, you know, part of the act was, this guy was supposed to really be good.
I don't know what
He
you do with
tried,
that.
he tried that on Merle Haggard. Merle was the main guy that night, and Merle sitting there with the band at the table, we're sitting just behind him a little ways, and Lanard twins, I think they were called. Anyway, they're up there singing, and that guy takes that whip and goes, whack! Like this far from Merle's head. Merle stood up in the middle of his show and said, you do that again, boy, and I'm gonna kick your ass. I mean, he was mad. Everybody clapped. So the guy didn't put his whip anywhere near Merle the rest of the night. He was picking on everybody else, but I think they were called the Lanard twins. I could be wrong. It's like 50 years ago.
That's
That's
Google
why
it.
we haven't
Google
heard.
it.
We haven't heard from them since then.
No, yeah,
'Cause,
they're
that
out of
was
the
their
business.
last show.
So what do you got?
Let's do, speaking of people that are behind us, I got Waylon back
You
there.
got Waylon and you got Hank.
I got a Waylon song to do.
Oh, great. Which one?
That's what makes the Cowboys. That's all help the Cowboys sing the blues.
Oh, follow you. Go ahead.
G and D. Second chord's a G. The third chord is a major.
We got the lesson down. Now let's do the song.
Cowboys, they are ladies' men, alright. They love 'em up and talk 'em up all night. But they're lonesome when there's nothing else to do. That's what makes the cowboy sing the blues. He does a little Shakespeare and he sings. He plays the mandolin and other things. He looks for love, beauty, and I cowboys sing the blues. Cowboys have to fall in love, get hurt and all that bit. Let their hearts hang out so they can write you all a hit. So ladies, if they ask you, don't refuse. Let's all help the cowboys sing the blues. Cowboys, they don't ever understand this thing between a woman and a man. Until they find the one they always lose. That's what makes the cowboy sing the blues. Cowboy takes his lonely pen in hand, tries to make somebody understand. Ah, but she has ears to hear a different tune. That's what makes the cowboy sing the blues. Cowboys have to fall in love, get hurt and all that bit. Let their hearts hang out so they can write you all a hit. So ladies, if they ask you, don't refuse. Let's all help the cowboy sing the blues. Yeah, ladies, if they ask you, don't refuse. Let's all help the cowboy sing the blues.
Hey, we're doing a new song all of a sudden.
Let's all help the cowboy sing the blues. I've actually done that here many times, but it's been a long time.
I missed every one of them. Somehow I don't remember that.
I'm pretty sure you were here though.
Well, you know. Anyway,
Short song? Yeah.
come on, do another one. Can I sing it?
You like singing.
It's a good
You
song,
like
though. I like that
dancing.
song.
It's a good song. I just but I can hear it. What do you got? Hey, if you're watching us on Facebook, push like and share, and if you're watching us on YouTube, subscribe. And I think if you're able to watch the show, you probably already know that, how to do that. So help us out. We're having fun.
There's a thumbs up icon, I'm pretty sure, right?
There is, yeah, that's the one that like.
Like,
That's the like, and the other one is share.
I don't know,
To
I don't
share.
know what that
Well,
icon
when
is.
I think you share with your friends or something. I don't know.
Kent
I didn't know
Dunbar's
that.
watching.
Who's watching?
Kent Dunbar?
Oh my God, he lives in Chile. Kent Dunbar is a really cool drummer that I met in 1966 at the Red Dog Saloon in actually Scottsdale, Arizona. He was working with a fella named Noonie Rickett.
Noonie Ricketts.
And boy, this band was so hot. Mickey and I, we were at a place. Oh, we were at JD's with Waylon Jennings.
There you go.
1966, and we were downstairs. It was a rock and roll club downstairs, and Waylon hadn't made it big yet, real big. He was kind of known, but he got real famous after. And he was working upstairs. And you know whose guest artist was that weekend? Wanda Jackson. And she was so cute and small and tiny and
Love
sang
Wanda.
so yeah. And so we were downstairs, and that's when I got to kind of know Waylon for 2 weeks because we worked, alongside each other. I mean, it was great. Okay, Kent Dunbar. Yeah, we love you, man.
And I played with you and Kent many times. Kent,
Oh, years
Kent,
ago.
we played together many times.
Yes. He was a funny
Glad,
cat.
glad you're watching.
Big, tall guy, thin. and just really liked his way of playing.
Good drummer.
Yeah, he was good. Okay, what do we got? What do you got?
A nap. I don't know nothing about no drummer from Chile. All the drummers need to go down to Chile and stay there.
He is.
Cowboys and Cadillacs.
Let's go.
Play Yoakum tune. We're still waiting for him to show up. Girl, you taught me how to hurt real bad, cry myself to sleep. Show me how this town shattered dream. Another lesson about a dying fool, dream of Babylon. Found out that I don't taste so sweet. And this guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, long and lonely streets I call home. Guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, only thing keeps me hanging on. Ain't no glamour in this tinsel town, lost the ways of life. Thank the scars that all left to me. Oh, thank you, girl, for teaching me brand new ways to the crew. Have a mind now, I guess I believe. And this guitar Cadillac, hillbilly music, on a lonely street I call home. Guitars, Cadillac, hillbilly music, only thing keeps me hanging on. And this guitar Cadillac, hillbilly music, long and lonely streets, San Antonio. And this guitar Cadillac, hillbilly music, only thing keeps me hanging on. It's the only thing keeps me hanging on. It's the only thing keeps me hanging on. On and on.
Okay, Carmine.
I never asked Pete where he learned how to play country music.
You know, Pete, I think he came from kind of a blues,
Detroit, yeah.
basic background, but I met him years ago, before you was with Dwight and everything.
Really?
And he always had that cool style, kind of off the wall style of playing.
Rockabilly.
Oh yeah, and he just, I mean, he kicked right in. When it came to country, he just fell right in line. He just plays great.
Well, that's how we met, because I heard that he came to that Michaels. I said, Pete Anderson?
Oh, yeah, well-
Went over there, he never showed up. And then when we went to Big Fish, that's when I met him.
Yep. You know why he came there, don't you?
You.
Why do you think? Tell the people what you think.
I think he came there because Carmine Sardo.
There you go. Anyway, he was a good friend of mine, so
He's got a show called Carmine's Country Corner.
this was before the show, way before the show. Anyway, yeah, Pete's a great, and of course you've known him forever too. We all did gigs back in the
For a long, long time.
early '70s, mid '70s. We were all working. He used to work out of Patio Pizza, Tony's Pizza, and I subbed for him a few times with Rick Tucker.
Oh,
You know, worked with all, yeah, that's all great people. Anyway, Pete, we love you, You know, he kind of set a style too, kind of the way like Burton did. Pete kind of did that in his own
Yeah,
right.
he kinda
That
did.
rockabilly, off the wall kind of stuff. A lot of guys copied that.
Oh, you know his sound when you hear it. It's millions
Oh
at the
yeah,
top
I
of it,
mean,
but
yeah.
you know it.
It's like Burton. Like when you hear Pete solo, Pete Anderson solo, you
You know it's
bet
him.
10,000 that's him, and it's going to be him
Yeah.
because he's very, very unique in the way he plays. Unlike me.
Okay, you're gonna now Carmine Sardo's gonna do one for you. One he didn't write, one he didn't steal, one he didn't borrow. He's gonna play it in D instead of E like he should.
Yeah, so I hooked that up and it's perfect. I know everything's right.
They ask me if I'll find another person. I don't know. I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. You know I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. You ask me if I'll miss her kisses. I guess I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know. I can't say. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, and he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Johnny Cash, 1957, Town Hall Party, black and white TV.
Johnny Cash.
I was 12 years old. Let me see, 57? Yeah, I was 12. And I was watching that show. And then I picked up a guitar. I said, I want to do that.
Yeah.
And I never quite did it the way he did it. You know, I mean, he's pretty famous.
Yeah.
But we sure had a lot of fun, didn't we, Paul?
Yeah.
And we still are.
Yeah. And he didn't do that many seat covers, so.
He really didn't do any of Pulse, yeah. So, and he probably couldn't play bass and mix music like you could either.
Maybe, I don't know.
You know. Anyway, do
did.
another one, Paul.
All right. So let's see. We've done a Johnny Cash song. We've done a Merle song. We've done a Lefty Frizzell song. That's what I started with. on a Waylon song, so let's do a Hank song.
Let's do a Hank song.
I know
Hey, good looking is what we're doing.
no, man, do that one, bio. Done by Badu. Shit, I hate both. I hate you both.
You can do that one later.
I don't know the words.
Oh, well, learn it.
I'll be right back.
C.
See.
1, 2, 1. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know it's right over the hill. Soda pop and the dancing is free. If you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Gary Swan cooking it up now. I'm free and I'm ready, so we can go steady. How's about spending all your time with me? No more looking, I know I've been tooken. How's about keeping steady company? I'm gonna throw my big book over the fence. Buy me 1 for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Gary, play a short one now. All right, that's enough. Here comes Carmine. I'm gonna throw my big book over the fence. Buy me 1 for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me?
Today I passed you on the street, and I fell at your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Somebody else stood by your side, and you looked so satisfied. I can't help it tune. That's the tune I wrote behind that truck right before I got here. Another
Two
broken
Hank
heart.
songs in a row.
Yeah, we could go all night, but
Good.
that's the only two we know.
You got another one?
Sure.
Sure. No, we could go on for a little longer.
Turn my fan that way. I'm gonna kill it. That's why I'm sick.
Where'd you get the van?
I had the fan going all day and somebody moved it. Turn it this way and I'll turn it over.
Bet you'll hear that on the internet.
Wait. That feels better, thanks. I just noticed, why am I all so hot? God, that's,
Your biggest fan.
it's blowing on the wagon wheel. It's like,
I don't want that
the
thing
wagon
going.
wheel's not hot. I'm the guy. What do you got, Paul?
Let's do Dark Hollow.
What, throw the amp away or?
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone, cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
He sings the minor, but he doesn't want it played. I know, but the reaction I get out of him is quite spectacular.
Do it when I'm not here.
I think I promise you every time I do it, but I don't do it.
Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, this blue and broken-hearted me. I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, this blue and broken-hearted me. Hit me! I can't explain the way I feel, and every tear I cry is real. The dancing, Kim. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. I say blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, and no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. You got one, Swan?
It's the piano. It's just switching patches. lose my breath. Though I tried so hard, but the word won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, world turned upside down. Maybe you come around. I feel so helpless. I feel just like a kid. What is it about you that keeps my feelings head? Try to tell you, but the words won't be found. Maybe you come around. I get weak in the knees, and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the word won't come. I'm so scared of death. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Maybe you come around. I get weak in the knees, and I lose my breath. Though I tried so hard, but the word won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, the world turns upside down. Maybe you come around. When you smile, that smile will turn upside down. Maybe you come around. Maybe you come around. Whenever you come around. We should buy some professional equipment.
Anyway, Paul, what do you got? Let's close the show.
Yeah, let's do.
Hey, you know what? This is our last song. We had a great time today. Thank you all for showing up. I want to thank Dave and see his wife is going to kill me. I keep forgetting her name.
Jeanette.
Huh?
Jeanette.
Jeanette. See, I met somebody at an Osprey farm named I think it was Jana or something like that. And I'm confused. But anyway, I won't forget. I promise.
It's all right.
Anyway, I think
I'll
I'm in
never
trouble.
forget you, Jeanette. Till next week.
So anyway, we'll see you next week. Don't be late. Enjoy the show. Hope you have a little bit of fun. What do we got, Paul?
Reborn Man.
What key?
G. Give me a G chord. I was born in the Southland. 20 some odd years ago. I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. highway, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. Well, I got this worn out bass guitar I carry in an old tote sack. Called it about 100 times, but I always get it back off of the board, man. My home is on my back. Well, I go every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. Well, you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. Home is on my back, and every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. All right, let's play some more. You may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I'm gone. My home is on my back. Well, every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I know every inch of that highway.
Good night, folks. See you next week. Don't be late.